everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to create the viral How I Look in 1800s trend using CapCut step by step. In here, you don't need any editing skills at all, just one photo and CapCut. So let's get started. First, just open CapCut and then make sure your app is updated to the latest versions so all templates are available. And then on this home screen or main screen, just tap on template sections, this one, and then next just tap on it, and then this is where all the CapCuts provides trending AI and viral templates. And then next, just tap on search bar at the top and just type or search how I look 1800s, and then in here you will see several templates with historical or vintage styles. Just choose one that you like the most. For example, I will choose this one. Okay, like this, and then next just tap on use AI template and just choose the photo that you want to transform, and then just tap on next and wait for the process. Okay, like this. In just a few moments, CapCut automatically generates the video using AI like this. You will see yourself transform into an 1800s historical styles look like this, and I think it's so cool. It's so beautiful with the vintage styles like this. It's so cool. And then next, once you're done, just tap on export. And then next you can directly share it to TikTok, Instagram Reels, or maybe YouTube Short. And okay, that's it. That's how you can create how I look in 1800s video. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.